Unlock a new era of web development where AI doesn't just assist, it transforms. Today, we're diving deep into how Deepseek can revolutionize your website creation process, making you more efficient and innovative than ever before. Step 1. Leveraging Deepseek for accelerated coding. Imagine generating complex code snippets, understanding existing code, or even debugging with AI-powered insights. Deepseek can help you draft foundational code, suggest optimal solutions, and even identify potential errors, freeing you to focus on the creative aspects of your project. Next, we explore Deepseek's role in design enhancement beyond just code. Deepseek can assist with visual elements. This includes generating design ideas, suggesting color palettes, or even creating mock-ups based on your descriptions, allowing for faster prototyping and more informed design decisions. Step 3. Effortless content generation. Struggling with website copy. Deepseek can help you craft compelling product descriptions, engaging blog posts, or persuasive calls to action. Simply provide a prompt and let the AI generate high-quality content that resonates with your audience. By integrating Deepseek into your workflow, you're not just getting a tool, you're gaining an intelligent partner. This streamlines the entire creation process, from initial concept to final polish, ultimately enhancing the user experience of the websites you build. Empower yourself with AI-driven tools for efficient and innovative website development experience. The future with Deepseek. Deepseek Website AI Web Dev.